Top of the morning to you and happy St. Patrick's Day, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 268 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make an Irish soda bread from scratch. And this is the bomb.com. It's going to be so delicious. We're going to put some cranberries in it. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And the best part about this bread, no yeast and no waiting required. This is a simple, quick bread that you can just whip up in minutes. And this would be perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even for a snack. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. So grab your cranberries and your flour sugar because we're about to bake some Irish soda bread magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup I have 1 3/4 cup of cold evaporated milk. And we're going to add in 1 jumbo beaten egg, also cold. And 1 teaspoon of orange extract. Going to stir all together until it's nice and well combined. And then we're going to set this aside while we work on the dry ingredients. Alright my friends, in my stand mixer I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to add in 1/4 cup of white sugar just to give our bread a little sweetness. And I have 1 1/2 teaspoons of kosher salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And 4 tablespoons, which is 1/2 stick of cold unsalted butter that I cut into cubes. And we're going to mix this on low until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in the wet ingredients into the dry. Real slowly. And next we're going to add in 1 cup of dry cranberries, and I added a little flour so that way it won't sink in the bottom. So just going to add that in. And mix everything until it's nice and well incorporated. Do not overmix. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing everything. So now on the flour surface, we're just going to knead it a few times. Alright my friends, I'm through kneading the dough, and I put it on my long cookie sheet that I filled with parchment paper. And I added a little flour, and then I made a cross on top so all the steam would come out. It looked like a hot cross bun, don't it? And look at the specks of cranberries. I can smell the orange extract. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to put this baby in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 45 to 55 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Irish soda bread. Nice and golden brown. It smells incredible up in this kitchen. I love the smell of freshly baked bread. Alright, so now I'm going to let the bread cool for a few minutes, and then I'll cut it into slices and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. And I spread some butter on my bread. That looks yum-o. Alright, here we go. Break me off a piece. It's so tender. Love the sweetness from the cranberries. Oh my goodness, this is scrumptious. Please give this recipe a try. Irish soda bread, delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, and happy St. Patrick's Day.